Welcome back, dreamers. If you're new here, I'm Kira and this is Homestead Dreaming. Today I'm getting ready to go on a trip to St. Louis with my family, and so I am getting some last minute chores done. I'm going to add a little bit of extra bedding to the chicken coop in here, and I'm gonna make sure that everybody is topped up on food and water. I've got a friend coming to check on all my animals tomorrow while we're gone, so I just gotta make sure they're all topped off. All right, so we got all this fresh bedding dumped out in the coop. I tried to spread it out as much as I could, but really it will do the work for me. Hey, where are you going? All right, everybody's been fed and watered, and now it's time for me to go back inside and finish packing our stuff. We got shirt eggs.
What's a dwarf zebu?
A dwarf zebu.
This is a naked mole rat.
What do you think about the naked mole rat?
They're pretty cute. They're like adorable when they sleep. They're really cold. Holy cold. Yeah, no. Oh, they're taking me.
Whoa. We got back right before dark last night, just in time to put the chickens up for the day. I had a friend come and let them in and out while we were gone, and unfortunately something happened during that time that they were out yesterday, and they were attacked by a predator, and 2 more of my hens are gone. So that's a really unfortunate discovery. This time it was an Easter egger and a buff Orpington, and I'm not really sure what happened. I'm not really sure on the timeline. All that I know is that I'm suspecting a raccoon for this one based on the condition of the chickens, the way that I found them. I've really got to ramp up their protection, so that is my focus for this coming week. Morning, guys. It is cold. A cold front came in, but that's okay. Chickens are warm. And we're gonna go ahead and let them out for the day. Window up, screen up. Let them go outside. And then let's take a look here. We still have water. We still have water. We still have food. Let's check on my quail babies. Got our little quail babies in there. They're not babies, but you know, they're small. So. Today is protection day. I'm going to go ahead and put a roof on the top of the run. Really, it's just gonna be chicken wire, and it's gonna prevent hawks, raccoons, and anything else from getting access to my chickens. So this is going to be a temporary protection. What I'm doing is I'm going to put the screen fencing that I had for the original run on the top of this run just to prevent them from getting out, also preventing hawks from dive bombing them. Really, I think the issue is that they're still able to get out of this run based on how high their window is, and that's where they're getting into issues, because once they get out, they don't have the leverage to get back in. They get stuck out. That's when a predator can get them. And so once I fix the problem of them getting out, it should better protect them during the day from hawks, from day predators, and then at night, as long as no one accidentally gets left outside because they are being prevented from getting out, then no nighttime attacks either. So that's what I'm doing right now for temporary protection. This is not permanent. Eventually there will be an actual like rain guarded roof where they'll be protected from the elements out here and from the predators, but really they need to be protected from hawks and raccoons and foxes. So this is what we're doing for now. Now, if I had planned this out properly, this would have been a lot easier to do, but I never said I was good at planning. So now I'm actually gonna have to climb in there and yeah. Sometimes you gotta get creative with it. Alright, so now that I've got this stapled onto the perimeter of the run, I'm going to use these zip ties to secure the middle until it's time for a more permanent. It's cold and it is windy and it is time for me to go inside.